In many factories, depending on the factory, there are different kind of challenges that you can imagine. But in order to adopt the robotics solution, it's still very important to be able to have a capability to replicate what human can do. Human have 5 senses, very good handling capability, dexterity, and these are solutions that sometimes robotics are not able to replicate. So generally speaking, I think the closest we get to human performance, the better adoption we will see in each factory. The main obstacle to introduce robotics in the factories are related with the fact that even though robots are very smart, nowadays they are not like a human. They don't have the same sense, the 5 sense, and also the handling and dexterity capability are not at the same level of human. So when people try to automate a process that is very complicated, that sometimes this fails. So collaborative robotics and cooperative robotics address these kind of challenges and can overcome the obstacle that I just mentioned. Well, our future plan are in the direction of data analytics. So indeed, in terms of robotics, is to expand our portfolio of AMR, so autonomous mobile robotic solution, to make not only the machine work autonomously, but also agilize the flow between machines. In that direction, we are making a lot of investment. There will be few of them that will be very representative, but if I will pick, the combination of how you handle data, so the digital transformation with the elaboration, post-processing of the data in real time using AI algorithms, if these technologies will become much more applicable to robotics application, then robotics application can benefit from it, can be used to do better quality inspection and also teach even better the user of these kind of machines.